Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restore your iPhone without passcode or computer. If you forgot your passcode of your iPhone, now you want to unlock it without computer or without passcode. Watch this video until the end. I'm going to show you everything step by step that how you can erase your iPhone or restore your iPhone without computer and passcode. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. If you want to unlock your iOS device, it doesn't matter which iPhone you are using. If it's iPhone 7, 6, XXS, 11, 12, 13, 14, it works on all, also on iPads. So to unlock this iPhone, we need another device. It can be Android or another iPhone. So in my case, I'm using this iPhone. So we are going to use this iPhone to unlock this one. So let's get started. Once you have another device, then connect your internet connection, go to any browser and search for iCloud.com. And then you have to sign in your Apple ID, the same Apple ID that you were using on this iPhone. So I have already logged in my Apple ID. This is the same Apple ID logged on this iPhone. If you are using different Apple ID on iCloud.com, this method won't work. So make sure that you use the same Apple ID. Once you're logged in with the same Apple ID, click on this menu, click on Find My, and then on the next page you will see all of your devices. Then enter the password of your Apple ID or passcode of your iPhone to confirm. So once you're on this page, you will see all the devices logged in with your Apple ID. So you have to select the device that you want to unlock, that is locked with the passcode or you want to restore. Once you have selected the device, click on Erase iPhone and click on Continue. Then you have to enter the passcode or password of your Apple ID again to confirm that you want to restore. Now wait for a few seconds and you will get the next button. Click on it, simply click on Done, and you will see the message restarted in a few seconds. Here we go. Now this iPhone will start erasing automatically in few seconds. You have to wait. Here we go. Now simply click on Remove from account so you don't have to enter your Apple ID while doing the setup of this iPhone. Then click on Remove. So now you don't need this device. Now let the process complete and wait for a few minutes. Now here we go. Now as you can see guys, the iPhone is restored. Now the passcode has been removed. Now you can simply select the language, country and do the setup. So here we go. Now as you can see guys, passcode is completely removed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.